Track and field is sport in its rawest form. It's competitive and demanding of the body and mind. But it's also unapologetically simple. Running, jumping, and throwing. Who can do it the best today? Who can do it the best in history? Like the athletes from around the world who are competing in these events, my breath is taken away. Luckily, not from debilitating exercise, but by this. The heartbeat of American track and field, honored with hosting the first World Championships on U.S. soil, Hayward Field. My question for you is, do you believe in magic? Because throughout the World Championships, there have been nothing but what we like to call in the business, Hayward magic. Upsets, sweeps, and world records, par for the course. Anything goes. Allison Felix capping off an incredible career. Michael Norman getting that first gold, and Cindy McLaughlin defying the impossible. The medals in the record-breaking draws you in. But you want to know what really hooks you? See for yourself. People across borders and cultures in perfect harmony. Your peers may not speak the same language as you, but we are all fluent in track and field. A language that calls for sportsmanship from fans and athletes alike. Every race, every flight, athletes congratulate, high-five, or even hug their opponents. The very people, seconds ago, they were trying to defeat, but who ended up getting the best of them. Why? A whole lifetime goes into training and suffering, proper nutrition, battling injuries, and so on. They know what it takes. When you step onto the track, competitiveness and sportsmanship are not mutually exclusive. You can have your cake and eat it too. Irrespective of sports, this place is truly something special. And now you know it's not only because of the architect.